Good morning, everyone. It's Dr. Suzi Schulman, and we are going live on multiple media streams this morning. And it's a great thing because we've got some important stuff to talk about. I want to start off today by talking about the golden rule. Why do I want to talk about this? Because my perspective of it has changed so much during this whole pandemic and post-pandemic situation, and I got to share it with you. I took that pandemic time and I went from a very successful chiropractor to an ultra successful human being. And that's what I wanted all along on my journey, to actually enjoy it, to feel happy, to appreciate it. And I finally got it together and figured it all out. And I want to share it with you. So most of the things I hear during the day are, can't do it, it's not possible. Trust me. Everything's possible. You have to believe, and you don't even have to figure out how to do it. You just have to find somebody who did it. Make sense? Don't figure out how to get where you want to get. Figure out somebody who's already done it and do what they do, because success leaves clues. They will show you exactly what you need to be doing. Reach out to somebody. Well, what is it that you need to be doing? That's the first thing that you have to think of. What is it that I want out of this life? Do I want to live happy and fulfilled? And what's going to get you there? For me, finding my voice, talking to you, that's getting me there. This is part of my journey, and it's a part that I fell in love with. So again, I want to share with you all the things that got me here. And today we're going to talk about the golden rule: do unto others as you'd have done unto you. Sounds good, right? Do unto others as you'd have them do unto you. What's wrong with that? The way people are doing unto themselves these days, what are we doing unto us? How am I treating myself? What would I have done unto me? That's a problem. And that's why, in my opinion, we're all struggling. That's why the world seems to be collapsing rather than coming together. This is the perfect time for us all to come together, but we're not even taking care of ourselves. So we're asking others to do unto us as we'd have done to ourselves, and we're treating ourselves like crap. It's true. And I'm sorry if the word crap got to you, but that's what's going on here. We're not taking care of ourselves. So I don't want other people to treat me the way I'm treating myself. I need to take a step back and start treating myself better, so that I'm training those around me to treat me better. And then do unto others. All you're doing is spilling over the love that you have for yourself. That's how the golden rule should work. We should start taking care of ourselves, claiming our alignment every day, so that we can turn the general attitude of this world around and go for joy and peace and happiness and love. So I'm here to tell you that it can be done. But more than that, we're doing it in the office. We're doing it every day. This week, we're talking a lot about sleep postures. So if you want to start giving to yourself, look at the way you're sleeping. You should be, number one, getting at least 7-8 hours of sleep a night. And most of us aren't even respecting ourselves to the point where we're doing that. Set a scheduled bedtime for yourself. Put reminders on your phone. It's time to wind down. It's time to go to bed. The world will still be here tomorrow. All the problems, all the things that we have to deal with will be here tomorrow, but you're going to address them a lot better when you're sleeping better. And when you're sleeping, you have to think about the way you're sleeping. Are you sleeping and on your stomach and turning your head all night and blocking that energy that your body and brain need to communicate and to turn your power on? Because if you are, that's not the way to do it. And I have a PDF that goes over the exact way you should be sleeping. If you're interested, please put a note in the hashtags, whatever, comments, and I will pick that up and I will make sure that you get that PDF. But it all starts with, how are we doing unto ourselves? What are we doing every day to claim our alignment? Again, this week, I'm not asking you to even do more except for sleep and rest. But I want you, while you're sleeping and resting, to make sure you're doing it in a good posture, making sure your spine is in alignment, allowing for all the communication between the brain and the body to flow. Because without that, we're not doing anything unto ourselves other than harming ourselves. So the golden rule: Let's start taking care of us and each and every one of us. Let's invest something once a day, invest into yourself. If it's nothing more than changing the way you sleep or the amount of time you sleep, I promise you the world will be a better place tomorrow. That's all it takes. One little change, one little change. And I know that we've got it in us to make these changes, because it's so much more enjoyable watching people come alive and treating themselves great and feeling great, and then just spreading joy. That's what it's about, people, spreading joy. Little Marie Kondo, watch her show. She's awesome. So I will see you again tomorrow morning live at 8:30. Let me know that you were here. If you saw this, please just give me a thumbs up, a like, share it, comment. I'm only giving uplifting messages in the morning to try to start everyone's day on a better note. We all need this. So please share it, pass it along, tell your loved ones about it, and start doing unto yourself like nobody's business. All right. Claim your alignment today. Let me know how you did it. Leave a comment for me. Love you. And we will see everybody tomorrow.